Alright guys, today I'm doing a review on these Kind bars. These are on sale, that's why I picked them up. And they're gluten free, as you can see. Um, yeah, they're on sale. I don't usually buy these type of things, but especially with chocolate and stuff. But it was on sale, and people always ask me for different options. So if you look at back here, um, it says it may contain tree nuts and things like that, but it is gluten free, but I don't actually see any dairy in it in the way, or milk, because you can get flavored cacao nibs, and that'll actually almost taste like chocolate as well. So I'm gonna try these out and then do a quick taste test for you. So that's the ingredients and the nutrient panel, and that's about it. Let's open this up. Alright, so that's what they look like. Alright, let's open this up here. Alright, so there it is, guys. That's what it looks like. Let's do a quick taste test. Like I said, hopefully there's no dairy in it. Yeah, it's not sweet at all. So it tastes okay. Tastes like a nut bar. It's not bad. So all the nuts are roasted, so it has that nice nutty taste. But yeah, they're not bad. They're kind of light as well. So I sort of like the other bars that I did a review on, the gluten-free bars. Those were a little bit better. The coconut almond one was better than this one. So if you have any questions, comments, guys, post below, subscribe to the channel.